Alright guys, so I have a quick Dollar Tree haul for you. Just a couple things that I found, and I'm excited because they don't have these in the stores local to me. So I found some more of these planner or notebook items that you can use like with your happy planner stuff. This one has the cover and the front cover and the back cover. And it says she designed a life she loves. There were like 3 or 4 other ones. I will show you, like add a video here. Let me see if I can get some light. Here we go. I'll add a video or a picture here on the side of whatever the other patterns were that they had or the other prints. I got this one because I like it, and this is, I think, the Happy Planner, what they would consider, I forgot what they're called. It's been a while since I bought an actual Happy Planner. I've just been making mine, like using the pieces that I have. So this is one of those. So they had the covers, and then they had the papers that go inside of them. This one, it's a notes assortment filler pages. You get 30 sheets. This one says notes and ideas. I guess I can open it because you can't see what's inside from the back here. And I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. And I was so excited. I should have gotten more of the papers that go inside, but I really just wanted, hold on. I really just wanted to get them to show you guys. I usually use whatever I have like in my stash. So you get the I was gonna say stripes, not stripes, the lined notes and ideas. Then you get like a grid notes and ideas, and this is another grid plain, and then like a list. So you get 30 sheets, so I'm guessing that is 6 of each sheet because there's 5 different types. So I'm guessing you get about 6 of each sheet, which is, I mean, a decent amount. And then they have the monthly assortment filler pages. You get 30 pages of those. And again, let me open so I can show you which ones they have. I was excited. Again, I haven't seen these locally. This was in Illinois, in a suburb in Illinois, and I'm in Indiana, so hold on. Oops. Second here. All right, so in this one, again, you get 30 pages, I think. Yeah, 30 sheets, and I don't know how they broke that up. There's 4 different pages. So you get the month that has the goals. I think that's what this one is. So it has goals, important, and birthdays. And then you have the month. So you have the side that has Monday through Wednesday, and then the other side that has Thursday through Sunday, and then pages that have important notes. So we got those. And then they have the discs. Now these are just plain, they don't have a hole in them, and they're the smaller ones. They're the 1-inch hole, 1-inch discs. They did have some other colors. I will post a picture of the ones that they had here. So I got those, and you get 10 of them, and these do take 10 on here. And then they had, oh, this is just a pen that I got because I've never seen these at my stores. 3D Art Creations, works on smooth surfaces, and it's purple, so of course I got that one. And then they also had, oh, I got some more of these little tabs because I can't find them anywhere in my stores anymore. And then I got these little binder clips, which I love because they say the days of the week, Monday through Friday. And then you've got your to-do one, tomorrow, today, urgent, and another to-do. I like these colors, and I love binder clips, so I needed some more. And then they had these planner stickers. You get 5 sheets, and these are the pages that are included. So you get all the months of the year, and then you get like It's kind of too small to see, but they, oh, you can see them on here. So it just says important, appointment, you know, all the basic planner things. So you get 5 little sheets with that. And I thought that was great because, you know, planner stickers are expensive. So it'd be great if you could find these and then those Happy Planner sticker packs that they had. You'd have a nice little gift set, or if you just want to start using Happy Planners or anything like that, this would definitely be a good way to get, you know, started if you can find them. I know, like I said, I haven't found them locally, so I was really excited to find them. Wasn't excited to pay the Illinois tax, but it is what it is. And then I got this coloring book because I love coloring books and I love Rainbow Brite and I want to color. So I got this one and I love it. I used to love Rainbow Brite. I had all the little dolls. So yeah, so those are the few things. Like I said, it wasn't a big haul. It was just some nice, I love it. I loved all the things that I found there. They did have a bunch of stuff that I haven't seen at my stores that I just wasn't willing to pick up because I just don't like paying that 10% tax. It hurts. It really hurts to pay that much tax. So, but again, I will post all the other pieces that I did see that I didn't get. And that is it for today, guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check me out on all my other social medias. And until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.